Good evening, children. Today our session is entirely different from in this computer language is a Python. You know, in this Python is introduced new data types. That new data types is about we will see today in this Python as 5 standard data types. Python as 5 standard data types. Okay, in these 5 standard data types about we will see today in this session. First one is numbers. Okay, and then what? Tuples. Third one is dictionaries. Okay, simply called list, tuples and dictionaries, and then string. Here you see number, tuples, dictionary, tuples, and then list, dictionaries. Okay, the fifth one is strings. Okay, these data types are newly introduced Python data types. In these data types about today I will come to the presentation session for PowerPoint via what is what. That about we will learn today. Today we will see computer science standard 12 chapter 9 is a list, tuples, sets and dictionary. About already we learned, but today one by one I will explain. These are the various collection of data types, right? Your list is enclosed within a square bracket or mutable, and then tuples enclosed within parenthesis immutable, and then sets collection of data type unordered, right? Finally is a dictionary enclosed within curly braces, right? Now we will see today dictionary. In this dictionary in Python, a dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. Unlike other collection data type such as a list or tuple, the dictionary type stores a key along with its element, and then the key in a Python dictionary is separated by colon, while the commas work as a separator for the elements. The key value pairs are enclosed with curly braces. Yes, next here defining a dictionary. In this case, defining a dictionary is a dictionary name, and then key 1 colon value 1 comma key 2 colon value 2, and then etc etc. Finally key n and then value n, key n colon value n close parenthesis, right? Now I will explain about defining a dictionary. Key in the dictionary must be unique, case sensitive, and can be of any valid type Python, right? You see Python dictionary, the Python underscore dict is nothing but inside the parenthesis 1 colon happel within a single quotes comma 2 colon 1 plus within a single quotes and then close braces, right? Now creating a dictionary. In that case, empty dictionary dict 1 is equal to open parenthesis close parenthesis as dictionary with key dict underscore student is equal to open parenthesis roll number 1 2 3 4 comma name Murali comma class 12 mark 451 close parenthesis. In this case, dictionary comprehensions
In Python, comprehensions is another way of creating dictionary. The following is the syntax of creating such dictionary. Right, now syntax: dict equal to open parenthesis expression for variable in sequence in a square bracket if condition and then close square bracket and then close braces. The if condition is optional and if specified, comma, only those values in the sequence are evaluated using the expression which satisfy the condition. Example: dict equal to open parenthesis x colon 2 star x for x in the range close open braces, so close brackets 1 comma 10 and then close braces. Here also close parenthesis. Okay, yes, again I will explain. Dict equal to open parenthesis x colon 2 star x for x in range. Here bracket, ordinary bracket open 1 comma 10 and then ordinary bracket close and then close braces. Output will be 1 colon 2, 2 colon 4, 3 colon 6, 4 colon 8, comma 5 colon 10, 6 colon 12, comma 7 colon 14, 8 colon 16, comma 9 colon 18 and then close braces. Open and close. Right, now we'll see about accessing, adding, modifying and deleting elements from a dictionary. Accessing all elements from a dictionary is very similar as lists and tuples. Simple print function is used to access all the elements. If you want to access a particular element, square brackets can be used along with key. Right, now just accessing, adding and modifying, deleting element from a dictionary, we'll want to see a program. Example: program to access all the values stored in a dictionary. Right, now my dict equal to open parenthesis within a single quotes register number is a single quotes colon closed colon 1221. This also within a single quotes. Same name Tamil Chelvi, school CGHSS, address Rotlar Stephen and then Chennai 112. These all statements will come to inside these single quotes and then close braces. Now we want to see an output: print my dict, print register number, my dict register number, square brackets inside the close and then ordinary bracket closed. Print name of the student, here also closed, my dict and the name also single quotes closed, square bracket closed and then ordinary bracket closed. Print school and then say my dict school, print address, my dict address. Okay, once you listen in the picture you can understand clearly. Now accessing, adding, modifying, deleting from dictionary. The output will be register number 1221, name Tamil Selvi, school CGHSS, address Rotlar ST and then Chennai 112. Now we want to see the output: register number 1221, name of the student Tamil Selvi, school CGHSS, address Rotlar ST colon Chennai 112. Note that the first print statement prints all the values of a dictionary. Other statements are printing only these specified values here which is within square brackets. Right, in an existing dictionary you can add more values by simply assigning the value along with key. The following syntax is used to understand adding more elements in a dictionary. Here dictionary underscore name within a square bracket key is equal to value bar element. Now we will see accessing, adding and modifying and deleting elements from a dictionary. You see the same diagram, same program. My dictionary register number 1221, name Tamil Chelvi, school also, but print. But now we are adding a new value. My dict class within a single quote square bracket also closed equal to 12th A and then print class my dict is a class. Now here print school my dict school. Right, print address my dict address. Now we will see accessing, adding, modifying, deleting from dictionary is nothing but modification of a value in dictionary is very similar as adding elements. When you assign a value to a key, it will simply overtime the old value. In Python dictionary, del is one of the keyword. The del keyword is used to delete a particular element. The clear function is used to delete all elements in a dictionary. To remove the dictionary, you can use del keyword with dictionary name. Syntax, you see, del dictionary underscore name of a key to delete a particular element, right? Dictionary underscore name dot clear is open and close is here ordinary bracket to delete all the elements, right? Again, del dictionary underscore name is nothing but as to delete an entire dictionary. This is a difference, right? Now accessing, adding and modifying elements from dictionary, the same program, but we will do now what to do here in the third line. You see, del dict mark 1 is a single quotes deleting a particular element. Now print dictionary element after deletion of a element. Here dict clear deleting all elements. So print dictionary after deleting all elements dictionary. Here print here dict, here entire delete the entire element. You see the output. Now dictionary elements before deletion, this here roll number, name, and then 98, 986 elements of deletion of element roll number 12001, name Meena, here 86 dictionary of deletion of all elements, and then open parenthesis, close parenthesis. Trace back most recent call list file. You see the colon here Python dictionary test 02 Python line 8 module print dict. Now name error, name equal to dictionary is not defined. Now here you see only one thing. What is the difference between list and a dictionary? It's a simple 2 mark and 3 mark questions. List is an ordered set of element. Dictionary is a data structure that is used for matching one element or a key with another value. The second one, the index value can be used to access a particular element. In a dictionary, key represent index. Remember that key may be a number of string. Lists are used to look up a value. A dictionary is used to take one value and look up another value. Okay.
Dear children, now we will see lists about this topic. Morning we learned about the Python in this previous topics is lists, tuple sets and dictionary. But now will we see the beautiful topic is nothing but here also lists. Okay, in this lists about we will see today. Here you see introduction to list. In Python programming language has 4 collection data type such as list, tuples, set and dictionary, right? A list in Python is known as sequence data type like strings. It is an ordered collection of values enclosed within square brackets, open and close, right? Each value of a list is called as an element. It can be of any type such as numbers, characters, strings and even a list as well. These elements can be modified or mutable, which means the elements can be replaced, added or removed. Every element rests at some position in the list. The position of an element is indexed with numbers beginning with 0, which is used to locate and access a particular element. Thus, lists are similar to arrays, what you learn in 11th standard. Okay, yes. But here, create a list in Python. The topic is create a list in Python. In Python, a list is simply created by using square bracket. The elements of a list should be specified within square brackets. The following syntax explains the creation of list. Syntax: variable equal to inside the square bracket element 1, comma element 2, comma element 3 is etc element n, square brackets closed. Now example, the marks is equal to inside square bracket 10, comma 23, comma 41, comma 75. Fruits is equal to square brackets within a double quotes apple, and then orange, and then mango, and then banana, square brackets closed, and then my list equal to open and close square brackets. Now we'll find out this. In this create a list in Python. In the previous example, the list marks as 4 integers elements, second list fruits as 4 strings elements, third is an empty. The elements of a list need not be homogeneous type. Now the following list can contain multiple type elements. My list equal to welcome within a double quotes 3.14 comma 10 in the square brackets 2 comma 4 comma 6 square brackets closed, and then again square brackets closed. In the above example, my list contains another list as an element. This type of list is known as nested list. Nested list is a list containing another list as an element. But now we will see accessing list elements. Okay, yes. The Python assign an automatic index value for each element of a list begin with 0. Index value can be used to access an element in a list. In Python, index value is an integer number which can be positive or negative, right? In this example, you see marks 10, 23, 41, 75. Positive index, we know 0, 1, 2, 3. Negative index, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Here, right to left, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, accessing list elements. The accessing list elements, positive value of index counts from the beginning of the list, and negative value means counting backward from end of the list, therefore in reverse order. To access an element from a list, write the name of the list followed by the index of the element enclosed within square brackets, right? Now in the syntax, list variable equal to, in the square bracket include inside square bracket E1, E2, E3 and then etc. En, right? Print list variable index of element. Okay, here small bracket open and closed. Now accessing list elements. You see the example. Example accessing single element. Marks equal to 10, 23, 41, 75. But print marks of 0 is nothing but position, index position. That's why we will get a result 10. In this example, it prints 10 as output, as index of 10 is 0. Right? Example, accessing elements in reverse order. Marks equal to 10, 23, 41, 75. Print marks minus 1. The minus 1 also it will be decided. Here 75. Okay, yes. Now we will see accessing all elements of a list. Accessing all elements of a list. Loops are used to access all elements from a list. The initial value of the loop must be 0. 0 is the beginning index value of a list. Here marks equal to 10, 23, 41 and 75, right? I equal to 0 while I is less than 4. Now print marks equal to square brackets I. Now increment process I equal to I plus 1. That's why 10, 23, 41 and then 75. Okay, these are output will come. Now we will see accessing all elements of a list. Here in the example, marked list contains 4 integer elements. Therefore 10, 23, 41, 75. Each element has an index value from 0. The index value of the elements are 0, 1, 2, 3 respectively. Here the while loop is used to read all the elements. The initial value of the loop is 0 and the test condition is I less than 4, right? As long as the test condition is true, the loop executes and prints the corresponding output. And the third point, during the first iteration, the value of I is 0, where the condition is true. Now the following statement, print marks of I, gets executed and prints the value of marks 0, element therefore 10. The next statement, I equal to I plus 1, increments the value of I from 0 to 1. Right, now the flow of control shifts to the while statement for checking the test condition. The process repeats to print the remaining elements of mark list until the test condition of while loop becomes false. Now next topic is accessing elements of a list. Here you see accessing elements of a list. The following table shows that execution loop, the value of to be print. Right, iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initial value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. While I less than 4, 0 less than 4 true, print statement marks of 0 equal to 10. The I equal to I plus 1, that's why 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Next time 1 less than 4. Here in that case 4 marks of the 123, I equal to I plus 1, 2. Again we'll see 3, 2 less than 4. Here true. The marks of 2 equal to 41. Here 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Now next statement is iteration of 4th. Initial value 3. 3 less than 4 true. Here marks of 3. Here 75. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5. 4 and then 4 less than 4 false. The process not happen. This type it will happen. Now reverse indexing. Once you see Python enables reverse or negative indexing for the list elements. Thus Python list index in opposite order. The Python sets -1 as the index value for the last element in list and -2 for the preceding element and so on. This is called as reverse indexing. Example, marks equal to 10, 23, 41, 75. I equal to -1 while I greater than or equal to -4. Print marks of I. That's why I equal to I plus -1. You see here 75 and then 41 and then 23 and then 10. Reverse will come. Right. Now we'll see reverse indexing. How it is happen? Iteration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While initial value -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here while I greater than equal to -4. Print mark of I equal to I plus -1. That's why -1 plus -1 into plus into minus we know minus. That's why -1 into -1 -2. Same next process is a -2. Here final increment process happen. So -2 -1 -3. And then -3 it will happen again max of -3 equal to 23. Here -3 plus -1 equal to -4. Right. Now -4 is the initial process. Here marks of -4 equal to 10. -4 plus -1. We know plus into minus equal to minus. -4 -1 equal to -5. Now -5 is the initial value. -5 greater than equal to -4. So false. It's a reverse index process will happen. Now list length. How do we identify? The len function in Python is used to find the length of a list. Therefore, number of element in a list. Usually, the len function is used to set the upper limit in a loop to read all the elements of a list. If a list contains another list as an element, the len returns that inner list as a single element, accessing single element. My subject equal to Tamil, English, Computer Science, Mathematics. Length of my subject Tamil, English, Computer Science, Maths. We'll find out answer is 4. So we'll find out length. Okay. Now we'll see list length. So in this program, to display elements in a list using loop, my subject Tamil, English, Computer Science, Maths. Now I equal to 0. Here while I is a greater than equal to length of my subject is a colon, print in the single bracket my subject of I. Here I equal to I plus 1, but output will come Tamil, English, Computer Science, Maths. Okay, yes. Now will we see accessing elements using for loop. In this for loop, in Python, the for loop is used to access all the elements in a list one by one. This is just like the for keyword in other programming language such as C++. In the syntax, for index of the variable in list, print index variable. Here, index variable represent the index value of each element in the list. Python reads this for statement like English. For every element in Python, the list and print the name of the list items. Now we will see accessing elements using for loop. You see, the program is here marks equal to square brackets 23, 45, 67, 78 and 98. For x is x in marks, print x, but output will be 23, 45, 67, 78, 98. In the above example, mark list 5 elements. Each element is indexed from 0 to 4. Python reads for loop and print statement for every statement or every element in the list of marks and prints the value of the elements. Now we will see changing list elements. Changing list elements in Python. The lists are mutable, which means they can be changed, and list elements or range of elements can be changed or altered by using simple assignment operator. Okay, here you see an example syntax: list variable index operator of element equal to value to be changed, list variable index from colon index to value to be changed, where index from the beginning of the index of the range, index to the upper limit of the range, which excluded in the range. For example, if you set the range 0:5 means Python takes only 0 to 4 as element index. Thus, if you want to update the range element from 1 to 4, it should be specified as 1:5 within a double square rows. Okay, thank you.